How to cancel a Thrifty car rental reservation online. Hi everyone, I'm here as you see today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Thrifty car rental page. Here, go to the FAQs of change or cancel. Here, you'll find reservation search tool. Simply click on reservation search tool. After you've clicked on it, here, add a confirmation number or rental record and your last name. Then press on Find Rental. After that, you'll find all your reservation pop up. Simply select the reservation you want to cancel. Then at the bottom, you'll find Select the Cancel option. Click on Select the Cancel. Then after that, review the cancellation details. And after that, you can confirm the cancellation and you're good to go. This is how to cancel a Thrifty car rental reservation online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.